Hey, this is Madison. Let's install the lily pad Scramble. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floor really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. Next, position the lily pads. If your school has tile flooring, I highly recommend using the tile lines as a guide for accurate placement. Start by removing the backing and placing one side of the lily pad onto the floor. Then, using a smooth wave-like motion with your squeegee, press the rest of the lily pad into place. I'll now place the fun extra pieces. Thanks for watching!